Good day, everyone. I am Rochelle L. Capis, your student nurse from the Constellation University of the Philippines. Today, I will be doing the written demonstration for infant oral nasopharyngeal suctioning. For the assessment, note for the doctor's order. Next, assess the rate and depth of each of the infant's chest, respirations, breath sounds, and chest movement. Also check the pulse rate, skin color, mouth, and nose for the secretions. For the planning, wash your hands. Gather all the necessary equipments or materials needed. We have the sterile suction package, the cups or the container for the NSS or sterile water, the gloves, and the suctioning machine. First, set up the container or cup by putting the saline water or the PNSS. Next is to attach the connector to the suction machine. Turn on the suctioning machine and test by placing thumb over the end of the tube. Then put on your gloves. Place the infant on a bassinet under dark light. Place the infant in a Trendelenburg verge position with head turned to his or her side. Next, I will pick up the catheter with my dominant hand and using my other hand, I will attach the connector tube. Test the suctioning water or the suctioning tubing by suctioning water through the cup. Insert the catheter sideways to the infant's mouth and apply suction by covering the suction port of no more than 10 seconds. Withdraw the catheter in a circular motion. Flush the catheter with sterile water or NSS to remove any secretions. Repeat the steps 13 to 15 until mouth is clear. Insert the catheter to the infant's nose, one nostril at a time, and apply suction by covering the suction port no more than 10 seconds. Withdraw the catheter in a circular motion. Flush catheter with sterile water to remove any secretions. Repeat the steps 17 to 19 until each nostril is clear. Turn off the suctioning machine and listen to the infant's breath sounds. Repeat if needed. Remove gloves and discard. Place the infant on his or her side. Then wash our hands. Now for the evaluation, evaluate using the following criteria. First, the breath sounds is clear. Mouth and nose are free from secretions. And now for the documentation, document any pertinent observations according to the hospital's policy. Thank you for watching.